All right, guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button for me.
All right, so I got a Kenmore dryer here. And right now I've got it unplugged. I'm gonna plug it in real quick while we see what the issue is. We're gonna fix it. So sometimes, at first it was saying PF, sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. But the issue is it's just not starting. You press start and it's just not doing nothing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go to the back and unplug it. Alright, so now that it's unplugged, I'm gonna open the door. There's gonna be a clip right here. You can pop up. There's gonna be a clip on this side. You can pop up. We're gonna check the belt. So you can see the belt's good. So that's not the issue, so we're gonna take off the back. We're gonna go ahead and shut this. Alright, so I'm gonna come around the back here. There's gonna be 9 bolts around the back of it. There's 1/4 inch we're gonna take off. One right here with the cord. Lift the cord up, get underneath it. So it'll be 10 including this cover. Looks like my drill's dead on, but that's not gonna be an issue. Pull this cover off. Alright, so now we're in the back of the dryer. Just to double check. Make sure our pulley's good. So it's got nothing to do with this. It's more than likely just a fuse. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this panel back on and we're gonna go around the front. All right, so once we check the pulley, we're just gonna put these bolts back on to this back panel. We'll go around the front and I'll show you how to disassemble the front of the dryer. I like to tighten a couple up by hand before I try to put them all on there. once the bolts are on this panel here, and this next step here, you're gonna want to use your multimeter. Make sure your appliance is still unplugged for sure. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back around the front, we're gonna pop this top back off. Sometimes these things can be tricky if it pops out on you. You just stick the front of it in, just like so. And the back will follow. Just like that. I'm gonna slide this thing out. I'll slide it out enough to sit that top against the wall. It's a 3/8 bolt right there, and there's a 3/8 bolt right there. Alright, so we're gonna take these 3/8 bolts out. Go ahead and get this other side for it. Before that thing tries to iron on me. Turn that flashlight back on. Alright, so once you get that one out, and you got this one out, make sure you set those off to the side. And close this door. Lift up. Door switch isn't bad, so I'm just gonna undo these clips so that I can just slide the door out the way. Alright, so on these, all you gotta do is disconnect one of the leads on each one. Wiggle it a little bit. You're gonna set it to the ohm setting. Let me show you here. I don't have too much to work with here. You can see this one's good. This one right here broke. show you right here, nothing. So we're gonna replace that. All right, so there's gonna be a 1/4 inch. I'll take that back, not a 1/4 inch, it's gonna be 3/8 on this one.
Alright, so the issue with this dryer was very simple. It was just the thermal fuse with the blue wires just shown. So all we're going to do is we're going to order new one of those, and I'll slap it on tomorrow and I'll throw that dryer back together. It's a very simple fix to do at home. I appreciate you guys for watching.